Opting for a better battery charger means a move away from virgin plastic towards the use of more sustainable materials, and in the case of portable solar chargers, a cleaner, greener energy solution. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly phone charger, solar power bank, tablet, or laptop charger, several charger brands are ramping up on the sustainability front. For this list, we looked for brands that opted for more sustainable materials, transparency in their supply chains, and built some green business practice into their operations. Number 1. Goal Zero Eco-Friendly Charger. Looking for a solar-powered phone charger? Goal Zero can help. With monocrystalline panels and a built-in kickstand, the Nomad 5 is their smallest portable solar charger. Ideal for keeping your phone charged on the move with minimal bulk added to your backpack. 10-watt and 20-watt portable chargers or larger portable panels, which need to be paired with one of their solar power bank inverters, are also available to suit most small battery voltage needs. They also offer mountable panels if you're looking for eco-home solar trickle chargers, especially if that home is a van or RV. Goal Zero takes its environmental and social impact seriously. All of the manufacturers they work with are third-party audited. Shipping is carbon offset. Their Utah headquarters uses 100% renewable energy, and they're reducing the use of virgin plastics. Number 2. Casetify Eco-Friendly Charger. The magnetic wireless eco-friendly cell phone chargers from tech accessories brand Casetify are fun, planet-friendly, and super slim at only 5.7 millimeters. Key features include being made of recycled aluminum with a strong magnetic disc and non-slip base. They offer wireless charging up to 7.5 watts for iPhones and 15 watts for Qi-enabled devices. There are hundreds of designs and options to choose from, all printed using eco-friendly ink. Casetify's ethical and sustainability practices. Casetify is primarily a phone case brand, specializing in those made from recycled and plant-based materials, some of which are 100% compostable. They plant trees with Earth Day's Canopy Project and support Breast Cancer Awareness Month and the Christopher Street West Association. Number 3. Anker Eco-Friendly Charger. If you need a quick eco charge, chargers and power banks from Anker are small but mighty. 70% smaller than the original 30-watt USB-C charger, the Anker 711 charger Nano 2 30 watts offers high-speed charging for your MacBook Air, phone, or tablet and comes with an 18-month warranty. For something a little more powerful, the Anker 747 charger, GaN Prime 150 watts, can charge 2 laptops or 4 devices at once. They also offer USB cables made of 40% bio-based plastic, corn and sugarcane, packaged in FSC-certified recyclable packaging. Anker also offers solar-powered chargers. Their PowerCore Solar 1000 is dust, shock, and water-resistant, ideal for a day on the beach, hiking, eco-camping, or just in your backyard. For faster charging and more power, cue tool time, they offer the PowerCore Solar 2000 with dual ports and a 20,000 mAh battery. Both models have a built-in flashlight, wrist strap, drop protection, and Anker's 18-month warranty. Number 4. Oakywood Eco-Friendly Charger. Each eco-friendly charger from Polish brand Oakywood is made from solid wood, Polish oak and American walnut, with an eco-wax oil coating. With several designs to choose from, including a slim charging pad and the chunkier Oakyblocks model, these stylish and sustainable wireless charging pads double as a piece of home decor. For more modular charging, check out the various charging docks, which can support up to 3 devices and multiple battery types at once. The charging speed is automatically tailored to your device. Oakywood's ethical and sustainability practices. Combining a love for wood and technology, Oakywood has everything you need to create a sustainable workspace, including desks, desk accessories, phone chargers, cases, sleeves, stands, and more. The brand's products are handcrafted in their own workshop in Poland. Sustainably sourced materials include FSC-certified wood, Portuguese cork, merino wool felt, and steel. Number 5. Biolite Eco-Friendly Charger. Biolite caters to off-grid adventures with a solar battery charger for any outdoor enthusiast. Choose between 5 watts, 10 watts, and 100-watt lightweight solar panels featuring USB outputs, a 360-degree kickstand, and an integrated sundial to help with placement. The 5 watts and 10-watt panels have an onboard 3200 milliamp hour battery so that you can store the energy for later. The larger 100-watt panel pairs with their Biolite base charge 600 and 1500 power stations for a next-level off-grid power solution. The Alpenglow 500 is a 2-in-1 rechargeable LED flashlight and power bank to charge battery voltage up to 5 volts. From headlamps to sustainable self-contained fire pits, they cover the practicalities of every adventure with their charging, cooking, and lighting essentials.